Let me show you something today. If you want to know which sites which pages on your website are indexed on Google has identified them, you come to Google and search site. Then you add, and then the next thing you're going to do is the type of website. So I'm going to check my shop, and this website I did it in a few days ago. So when you do that and search, it should give you the number of sites that sorry it should give you the number of websites. Oh yeah, so I think I made a mistake, so I just add the correct search. So as you can see, if you add here tools, I think all results, so these are the results that I get. They are more than a couple of pages. And now I want to see how good have I done my SEO. So if you open this site, let me just open it, you'll find out is a website that is still under development, but I want it ranked. See, it doesn't have anything. But does it rank? Yes, it should rank when you search for it on Google. And this is because I do search engine optimization for my website. And if you do so, you should also be able to get your website recent. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search this and see if my website is doing well. So I'm gonna duplicate it, and because I've duplicated the tab, I'm going to use the other tab to search for the keywords that I could be ranking for. So online in Kenya, let's see where my website is number one. So you see this is page 1, and I'm not somewhere anywhere in page 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to check number 2, and number 2 still I'm not anywhere. I believe I should be somewhere. Then I'm going to go to page 3, and I remember we are just trying and seeing where I could be. So if by now I've not seen myself, so I just uh, keep checking. Number 4, I think number 4 I can go back to number 3. Number 3, you see that my website is not visible. So I'm gonna try another keyword. I'm going to come back here and look for another keyword. So stickers. I'm gonna search this stickers. Let's go. So excuse me. I'm going to search for buy stickers online in Kenya. Then I'm going to search and see. We'll search and see if we find ourselves. At least I'm very sure that regardless of my website being less than 1 year old, it should be seen on Google. Because when you trust your skill, then all should be well. So it's not in page 1, not page 2, not page 3. But here we are, in page 3. And if I open my website, it should be seen. Imagine I'm in page number 3 when my website doesn't have any content. You see, number 3 and 4. Oh, sorry. It's number 3. But if I come to this price, this one, which are printers, they have the pages, but me, I don't have anything. So I'm gonna come back and look for something else. So I'm going to search for buy game packs online in Nairobi. And see if I rank. So page 1, I'm not there, I'm very sure. Based on the fact that I uploaded this website I think 2 weeks ago. So, and I'm still developing it, so you don't expect me to be number 1 or 2. but I think I should be in number 3, page number 3. So if we go keep on checking, I could be number 1 or I could be number 3 on more than, let's say, around 50 keywords. If you want your business to be seen like mine, then excuse me, then you should contact me and then I can help you with your SEO, search engine optimization. As you can see, I don't need to go very far to see keywords to be found on Google, and so should you. See, let me search for something like this. Then I'm going to come and search for something like buy Gavrils online in Kenya. See, we have the first page, and if we, I'm on the first page. You would also be on the first page. Thank you.